Time to finish eating.
Yeah.
I mean, just the fast eat.
Takes 5 seconds to eat, yeah.
Yeah, but it takes people time to realize that we've dropped food.
You said in Discord. That's their problem.
I mean,
Real.
it could be all of our problems if we have a
5,
0.01% wipe.
3,
Monster?
2, 1.
I don't know. She does point. Never mind. Let's finish that sentence and died for it.
At least I killed it.
Yeah, that's true.
Bro,
She's got you there, fun.
hate you.
Damn.
Bait frontal.
Bait frontal.
2, 1.
Soak.
Healing Tide Totem.
2, 1.
Soak.
2, 1. Bait frontal.
Bait frontal.
2, 1.
Soaks. Don't be in the corner.
Bait frontal.
Bait frontal.
Ascendance. Spirit Link Totem.
1.
Soaks.
Healing Tide Totem.
Bait frontal.
Bait frontal.
Can I get a Tiger Celeste or some kind of speed boost? If there's one available. Thank you.
Soak. Intermission.
Change to back.
Rebuff.
Get ready to go forward. And back. I'll cast one off.
Guys, focus down.
Forward. Whenever you can.
We can get there in 5 seconds. Get to your spot. Gets there now. First soak coming. First
Ascendance.
Yeah. Suppression, melee, get out, and watch your feet. Bombs.
Bait frontal.
Bait frontal. This is the second cone.
Healing Tide Totem.
Second potion, one's good for you. Watch your feet. Bombs.
Spirit Link Totem.
This is the second or the third soak tough one.
And soak.
Oh.
You're fine. You're fine.
Yo, you gotta stop moving
Bait
like
frontal.
that. That's crazy.
Yeah.
Bait frontal.
Suppression. Watch your feet.
Fourth cone.
Ascendance.
Bombs.
Bait frontal.
Start moving over to star side. Okay, move over here. If you're not doing something over there.
Stuck on it.
Range start in middle.
Get more on the line. Don't get stunned.
Make sure we get kicks here.
Range go back when possible. Then to middle.
Not miss kicks.
Get near the line.
Back when possible. And to middle. Toward right now.
Okay, we need two backups
Healing
on
Tide
odd
Totem.
side. It's going to be Voltari and probably Sig.
I'd side
Get
is
on
X,
star.
right?
Get on star. Audit star.
It's left. Just do these bombs correctly. Just do the bombs correctly.
Middle should be clear.
Get away from me, Robbie. Second cone soak. Anyone that doesn't have, stop moving with these.
Let's go!
Let's go.
Fuck yeah!
Fucking hype.
Yeah.
Nice.
Alright,
job,
this
good job,
is where
guys.
I get my big G.
Bro, how do we kill on that fucking pull? Are you kidding me?
Worst pull of my
Pretzel.
life. but fuck
Dude,
yeah.
that pull was so. Dude, I didn't even know the boss was dying.